Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you guys need to find where the TCM, also known as TCU, this is the transmission control module, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them. We'll talk about that. If you need to buy tools and parts, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the TCU, also known as TCM, transmission control module, fuses and relays, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Explorer here. We'll be working in different fuse boxes today. The first one, we need to open the driver door, then you need to come under the dash on the driver's side, look, guys, in the footwell compartment, behind, guys, the parking brake panel on the left side, up in the dash, up. If you look upside down, you will see a black cover like this one. Press these two tabs, pull the cover out, and you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check quite a few more. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 18, that one here. Important fuse, guys, that 10 amp fuse. Then we need to check fuse 41, right here, 7.5 amp fuse. Then you need to open the hood. Once you guys open the hood on your Ford Explorer, on the driver's side here next to the car battery, you have a fuse box. Press these 2 tabs, lift the cover up, and you have the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now, guys, here we will, by the way, need to check multiple components. Starting here, you may or may not have this one, depending on which engine transmission you have, but you may have fuse number 56. If you have it, it will be right there. Then you need to check fuse 90. So that's right here, that's the second fuse in that row. After that, you need to check 67, and 67 is that fuse right here. You need to check fuse 68, 69, very important fuses. You need to check 86 right here, and you need to check, guys, relay 66. That will be the one that you need to check. Those are the most important things that you need to check for your transmission. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.